In the next couple movies, we're going to take a look at the elusive pen tool. We use the pen tool to create custom shapes. In this chapter, we'll be talking about creating masks, and a lot of those masks will just be these simple shapes here, stars and ellipses and rectangles and whatnot. But if you really want to get in and create a custom shape, you'll need to be able to use the pen tool to create your own Bezier path. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to use a very simple magenta solid just to make sure that we can see what we're doing quickly, clearly, and easily. So I'm going to select the pen tool here, and with the layer selected, I'm just going to click and let go, click and let go, click and let go, click and let go. And you can see as I'm just clicking here, not clicking and dragging, but just clicking with the mouse and letting go, I'm creating simple shapes. These are simple lines connected by corner points. It's great for creating quick sloppy masks or for creating accurate masks on things like stairs or other hard-edged surfaces. Once you're all done with the mask, you can go back to the original point and you'll get this little O icon next to your pen tool, indicating that you're going to complete the circuit. You're going to close the mask. And once you do that, you then have a complete mask, and then you can use the mask modes to add or subtract. Now this is the most simple and basic way to use the pen tool. I'm going to select that mask and hit delete. You might need to hit delete a couple times to get rid of that. But there's another way that we can use the pen tool. If I click once to set a point, I create just a regular corner point as mentioned before. But I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click and hold my mouse down and drag. However, if I come over here and for the next point, click and drag down, that clicking and dragging motion creates a curved path. And this is where the pen tool starts to get a little bit more complicated. We drew just one simple line, just 2 points, and yet we have all kinds of stuff happening all over the screen. Well, what this line is basically control handles for this curve. Now, if you want to create just simple straight lines with the pen tool, then just click and let go as we covered before. But again, if you want to really master this tool, you need to be able to learn these curves and you need to be able to understand these direction handles. So that's the next step in this process, is really mastering those curves and handles.